I tell you? What'd I tell y'all? I'll move it. You and me going pumping in the dark, stretching out some holes and getting concrete out. All right, we are at it again, and it is dark for the moment. Another 30 minutes, so we'll have some daylight. And of course, after this weekend, we'll have daylight in the mornings and not much in the evenings. It's not my favorite time. I'd rather have daylight in the evenings than in the mornings. Got a bunch of holes to stretch out here. Gotta get the mangetta, and it is muddy. We got some. Gonna have some muddy feet on this one. We're gonna have some muddy feet on this one. Let's grab another one. Here, let's just tut a 1/2 inch. And we gotta get ready for an elk hunt, so might as well drag 2. Here we go. First pull's a hard one. That ain't got much better. Okay. Probably dark to y'all. It's dark to me. Oh, there's some slippage. Got some tire slippage going on. More tire slippage. You know, these hoses were used at a special event that you will see in an upcoming video, and due to the festivities, a lot of them didn't get rolled out, or I should say washed out. A lot of them didn't get rinsed out, so here's a little bit of debris in a couple of them. But I wish I could tell y'all more about the video, but I am sworn to secrecy. Alrighty, we have one hose left over, so we got 150 on the ground. I'll take that. We'll get it up here coiled up a little bit better, or you know who will inevitably and he's pulling up right now, so we did good. A few more things and I'll be ready to go. What'd I tell you? What'd I tell y'all? I'll move it. I will tell you, sometimes it sucks when you're right. Oh man. I'll tell you what, this quite possibly could be one of the greatest accomplishments of Alliance concrete pumps. I know they make fantastic pumps, but this stuff here, I will honestly will do my best to never go without it. You can get it off online, or you can go by their stores. They've got about 3 shops around the United States and Canada. But this anti-stick is absolute phenomenal product. And no, they don't give it to me. I gotta pay for it. They give me my first one, but since then I've paid for them. Looks like they'd give me more. I'd appreciate it, because I'd take it. There's a lot of products I get that I will not endorse after I've used it. I don't care how much you give me. Easy, son. This takes talent here. You gotta squeeze the jug between your leg. And then pour. The big mouth bottles work good for this, but I have noticed sometimes the little threaded squeeze part gets out of whack. So they haven't quite got it mastered yet, but we'll take what we can get. Okay, we are going to need to spray the hopper down. Don't leave that down. Inevitably I'll crush it on the trailer. So, but yeah, this here has definitely made life easier in a lot of ways, and keeps your pumps clean. I'm still waiting for some Legion concrete remover. They keep telling me they're gonna get me some. I haven't seen it yet. It doesn't take a lot of effort to cover your pumps and to keep your pumps clean. Pumping remote mode. Set that right there. Let's get them. Put the machine in PTO, or the auxiliary. Flow. That means we're an auxiliary. Mix up a primer. Hey, our water's on. Huh?
I've never seen that before.
No, I've had that in about a year and a half now. I've got oil on it, so if you don't mind not spraying it with water. You ready? You ready? Here we go. Hey, it's ripping. There she goes. Right out the end. Right out the end. Oh. Well, we got all this pool deck for this new pool build. Pretty tight spaces back here. Pretty house. But we'll calm it down to 50%. Half throttle on the machine, 50% on the hose, and that'll be once we get some filled in, it'll be a good pace. It's not quite so much hose reaction either. So the guys can be able to pick the steel up and give all that. They got getting their color ready. You're gonna stamp it or just finish, just hand finish? Stamp. What stamp are y'all using?
Rustic.
Rustic? Yeah. That was a good start, for sure. The start that we were looking for. ¿Hay mucho agua? ¿Es good? Bueno. We just keep putting more concrete. Hold on. Just don't, all you're gonna do is blow that stuff all over my pump. I've got oil on it, so if you don't mind not spraying it with water. Put 5 in it and mix it up. Put 5 in it and mix it up. I put the anti-stick. There we go. You good? Yeah. As a truck driver, maybe I need to put on truck driver training classes. As a truck driver, when you see balls piling up on your the grate of a concrete pump, your first reaction shouldn't be grab a water hose and spray them down. If they didn't break up in the drum, more than likely shooting it with water on top of the grate's not gonna break them up either. I have a handy dandy hose sitting there. Break them up with a hoe, holler at the pump operator, let's add 5 gallons and mix it up a little bit. This is the proper technique right here. Instead of just keep putting concrete in the pump and letting it overflow. Up some more. You got nose pack impact or something. Start to pull a little air in now, so we'll take the agitator. We can keep them hooked up. Once we get to right there, Tony, then we'll head over to there. Then we can break one off after we get that. No. We'll bring it to there, and then we'll take it off right there. Yeah. Oh.
Tranquilo, Lucio. No, Lucio, ya se hizo en el casino ya. ¿Ya es Cotillo? Ya es Cotillo. Está igual que sin máscara. Escucha a tu jefa, a ver qué dice.
Nos jalamos para frente, cabrón, aquí. ¡Hola, perdida!
Okay. I get it. I get it.
está el país sacando una nada.
Ayer tan serio que anduvimos, ¿no? Ya no, yo también. Hablar con el Rocky, ¿no? El Rocky que está haciendo el ciclista.
La troca no es un madrón que tenía un madrón.
¿Ya?
Y le dije, mira, tú dices, traen a sus cuellos.
No se dejó la cola ya con el huevo. Ahora hasta alcanzaron para comer los putos, ¿sí? No, nomás te tiran. Porque le dije al Rudy y le dije, comenzó, ya fue cuando arrimó su patín. Cuando le dio vergüenza. Así son de repente, como son los de la verga. Sí, llegan, uno les calienta lonche, todos llegan y comen gordas. Llegan a la comunidad. No traían lonche, ¿eh? Nada. Y el chilango,
No trae banquillo, compa.
porque mira, con Leo. Y dejar de ahí hasta ahí.
Sube la comprada al terreno.
And I was fixing to shut him off. Pull the sack back and pump back into the truck, or is it bueno?
Yes, sir. Sí, señor, mucho bueno.
Mucho bueno.
Mucho bueno. Se la he puesto y la puedo salir. Vamos a arreglar tú, gordo.
¿Sí?
Por eso ya en California te vas entonces mal.
Estamos en Tec.
A recompensas. Aquí también. Pero aquí nomás era un huelga de un carro. Allá no. Casi. Chicago. Esta cabrona y una muchacha no le dio la mano. A un oficial.
Bueno, güey, que ¿cuándo explica con convenza? Esos sí me les avientan los chingados, güey.
Esa muchacha la
Esos
quieren
güeyes son
ganar.
acá nomás como tú, güey. Tú llegas a pegarles, güey, te metes sentados con los chingados, está bueno.
I just set that up there.
Excepto de homicidio. El carro porque toma de ahí.
Now the truck just run out too.
Ya. Sí, no, gobernador fiscal, estos güeyes quieren dejar. Vamos a hacer. No,
Está como Carlito este güey.
Sí.
Ya la mejor. Controla tu paisa, Tony.
No, que la jalen, digo que no la jalen.
Oh, she's running. She's going good. Alright. We're working our way down. Oh, it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. I think. We're sucking back. Already taken a couple hoses off. Where you at? Where you at? Oh, he's past this. All right. Take another hose off. Get quick. Oh, I hear it popping air. Well, popping air for hot rod. Oh, that hose is stiff right there. I feel it moving though. Moving good. I think we're going to put what's left, which isn't really a whole lot. About a wheelbarrow full. It's about a wheelbarrow full. Tony, I'll need that remote on that electric box.
Like a half a barrel.
What's that?
Like a half a barrel.
Yeah, it wasn't a lot. Hold on. Let's see your water. Hey, Tony, roll that to the pump for me. Make sure that's all clean good. Really, to make life easier, you need to make sure it's all clean. important part is grease. Grease, grease, grease. Greased up. Maybe a chest match for these guys, especially if they've been. Alright, don't forget to catch our next video on Muddy Feet concrete pumping. We'll catch you later.